Hello, welcome to BSN Plantation Diary. Today, we explore the ancient history of areca nut. Imagine a crop that humans have been using for nearly 9,000 years. A crop that shaped cultures, marriages, and traditions across Asia. This is not just a nut, this is the story of areca nut, the red gold of Asia. Archaeologists discovered something fascinating in ancient caves in Thailand and the Philippines. They found human skeletons with red stained teeth. This remarkable discovery revealed that humans have been chewing areca nut for 7 to 9,000 years. Interestingly, areca nut is not actually a nut. Scientifically, it is classified as a drupe, similar to fruits like cherries and peaches. Inside the seed is a natural compound called arecoline, a mild stimulant that works in a way somewhat similar to caffeine. Traditionally, areca nut is rarely consumed alone. Instead, it forms a cultural preparation known as betel quid. This traditional mixture includes three ingredients: areca nut, betel leaf, and slaked lime. For centuries, this combination has been an important part of social and cultural life across Asia. In ancient India and Southeast Asia, offering areca nut was a symbol of hospitality, respect, and goodwill. Even ancient texts such as Manusmriti mention areca nut as a sacred offering. During the 17th and 18th centuries, kings and queens carried beautifully crafted silver and gold betel boxes. These ornate containers symbolized royal luxury, elegance, and prestige. In traditional Ayurveda, areca nut is known as kramuka. It has been used for its medicinal properties, including improving digestion, strengthening gums, supporting oral health, and helping balance kapha and pitta. During the colonial period, European traders transported areca nut across many parts of Asia. It soon became an important trade commodity, supporting regional markets and local economies. Today, areca nut is cultivated in countries such as India, Malaysia, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and Singapore. And India stands as the largest producer of areca nut in the world. Millions of farmers depend on this crop for their livelihood and prosperity. So the next time you see an areca nut palm, remember, it is not just a tree. It carries thousands of years of history, culture, and tradition. Thank you for watching. For more interesting agriculture and plantation videos, subscribe to the BSN Plantation Diary channel.